Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Monzo user in 2025, checking your bank statement is easier than ever with the latest app updates. Whether you're tracking your expenses, preparing for taxes, or just staying on top of your finances, this full guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Monzo app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your secure PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Security is key, so always use a strong method to protect your account. Now that you're logged in, look for the main dashboard. You'll see an overview of your balance and recent transactions. To access your statements, tap on the Statements or Account History icon, usually found in the menu at the bottom or side of the screen. In 2025, Monzo has made this even more intuitive with quick filters. Next, select the time period you're interested in. You can choose from the last month, quarter, or even a custom date range. Once selected, your statement will load up, showing a detailed breakdown of your income, expenses, and any transfers. Pro tip: if you need a copy, hit the export button to download it as a PDF or share it directly. If you're ever unsure about a transaction, Monzo's app lets you add notes or categorize items for better organization. This is super helpful for budgeting. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Monzo bank statement. Remember, regularly reviewing your statements helps you spot any unusual activity early. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.